Welcome to MathJip. Today's topic quadratic equation. We are going to simplify following equation. Number 1, A, 2x square plus 5x minus 7 equals to 0. Lots of way we can solve these kinds of equation, but in here we are factorize this one to find out the value of x. So here is 2 and here is 7, it will be 14, right? So 14, and we know 7 times 2 is a 14 and 7 minus 2 is a 5. Therefore we can write 2x square 7x minus 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, then we can take common x. So here is 2x plus 7, and here we can take common minus 1. So again 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Now here is 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7. So we can write 2x plus 7. We can take common. So here is x minus 1. And finally we can write either 2x plus 7 equals to 0, or here is 2x. We can subtract both sides by 7. So here will be minus 7. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So x equals to minus 7 by 2. Okay. So this is either, or we can get another answer like x minus 1 equals to 0. Here we can add both sides by 1. So here is x equals to 1. So our answer is x equals to either minus 7 by 2 or 1. This is our answer. So number 1A done. Number B, 4x square minus 5x minus 6. Look here, 4 times 6 is a 24. We have to find out that two numbers which once we multiply we will get 24, and addition or subtraction we will get minus 5x. So here we can write, if we factorize this one, 1 times 24 is a 24, same 2 times 12 also 24, 3 times 8 is a 24, and interesting thing, 8 minus 3 also 5. This case we can write like this, 4x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0, right? Now look, cross check, 8 times 3 is a 24 and minus 8 plus 3 is a minus 5. Okay, now we can take common 4x. So here is x minus 2. Again we can take common plus 3. So here is x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can take common x minus 2. So here is 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So now we can write either x minus 2 equals to 0. It means once we add both sides by 2 we will get x equals to 2. Similar, or we can say 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we can subtract both sides by 3. So 4x equals to minus 3. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So x equals to minus 3 by 4. And this is our answer. 1, 2, another one is minus 3 by 4. So we can write answer x equals to 2 and minus 3 by 4. Very simple. So A and B both done. Number C, look here is 7x plus x square minus 18 equals to 0, but our target to make this one like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. So we can write like this, x square plus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. Just we make this one as a synchronized, which is like quadratic equation. Now here is 18 and here is 7x. So we need to find out the what? We need to find out the that number which once we multiply we will get 18, and when we will subtract or division addition we will get 7. Like 18, once we factorize, 1 times 18 is 18, but it's not possible. 18 minus 1 or 18 plus 1, it will become 7. So again 2, so it will be 9. Now look, 9 times 2 is 18 and 9 minus 2 is a 7. So we can write like this: x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 equals to 0. Now we can take common x, so x plus 9, and here we can take common minus 2, so again x plus 9 equals to 0, right? Now here is x plus 9, we can take common x plus 9, and here is x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, either x plus 9 equals to 0, so we can write x equals to minus 9, or we can write x minus 2 equals to 0. It means once we add both sides by 2, so x equals to 2. So here is 2 answer x equals to either minus 9 or 2. Very simple. So number C done. Number D, 4 minus 3x minus x square equals to 0. This one also we will try to make like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this case we can write like minus x square minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. We can take common minus, so here is x square plus 3x then minus 4 equals to 0. So now we will multiply both sides by minus, so we will get x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Now look, here is 4, so 4 times 1 is a 4 and 4 minus 1 is a 3. So this case we can write 4x minus x minus 4 equals to 0. It means 4 times 1 is a 4 and plus 4x minus x, it will be plus 3x. We can take common x, so x plus 4 minus 1 common, again x plus 4 equals to 0. Finally here is x plus 4, once we take common we will get x minus 1 equals to 0, right? Now we can write like either here is x plus 4 equals to 0, so once we subtract both sides by 4 we will get x equals to minus 4, or we can write x minus 1 equals to 0. Now add both sides by 1, so x equals to 1. So our answer is x equals to either minus 4 or 1. Very simple. Okay, number A, B, C, D done till we have 2 math which we are going to solve now. Number E, x 3x minus 1 equals to 2, right? And this case first we have to simplify this one. It means we will expand this one. So x times 3x, it means 3x square and minus x, and these 2 you can write minus 2 equals to 0, right? Now look, here is 3 and here is 2, it will be 6, and we need minus x. So how can we find out this one? Look, this one we can write 6 times 1 is a 6, or we can write 2 times 3 is a 6. So which one is possible? First we can try by 6 and 1. It means, look, 2 times 3 it means 6, and 6 and 1 is not possible, because if we add with 6 1 it will be 7, or if we subtract it will be minus 5. So this case we can write 3x square minus 3x plus 2x and then minus 2 equals to 0. Look, 3 times 2 is a 6 and minus 3 plus 2 it will be minus x. So here we can take common 3x, so x minus 1 plus 2, once we take common here is also x minus 1 equals to 0. And here is x minus 1, once we take common x minus 1, and here is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Right? Now either x minus 1 equals to 0, so we can write x equals to 1, or here is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Then we can write, once we subtract both sides by 2, so this plus 2 will be out and here is minus 2. Now we can divide both sides by 3, so x equals to minus 2 by 3, and this is our answer. So finally we get answer x equals to 1 and minus 2 by 3. Okay, so number E done. And today's last question, it will be, we can write in here number F, 7 minus 3x times x plus 2 equals to 4. Right? Now first we have to expand this one. So 7 times x, it will be 7x, and then 7 times 2 is a plus 14, and 3x times x, it will be minus, here is minus, so 3x square, and 3 times minus 3x times plus 2, it will be minus, plus and minus, minus 6x equals to 4. Right? And now we can, this 4 we can transfer to right side to left side. So first here is minus 3x square, 7x and minus 6x, it means plus x, and here is plus 14, and this 4 become minus 4 equals to 0. And now minus 3x square plus x plus 14 minus 4, it will be 10 equals to 0. Right? Now we can take common minus, so here will be 3x square minus x minus 10 equals to 0. Right? And now we can multiply both sides by minus 1, so we will get minus 3x square minus x minus 10 equals to 0. Now look, here is 3 and here is 10, it will be 30. So 30, we have to find out that two numbers. Once we multiply we will get 30, and once we make addition or subtraction we will get minus 1. So once we factorize 1 times 30 and 2 times 15, 2 times 15, it means 15 minus 2, it's the 13, so here is only x. Right? And then what can we do? 3 is possible, it means 3 times 10 is a 30. Right? And it's not also possible. Next, 5 times 6, look, 5 times 6 is a 30 and 6 minus 5 is a 1. So we can write like this, here 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, it's a very simple. So here is, we can take common minus, we can take common just 3x, so here is a 3x and here is a 6x, so here x minus 6 divided 3 is a 2 and x divided x is a 1, so here is only 2. Right? Again we can take common plus 5, so here is also x minus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, and here is a 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Now either x minus 2 equals to 0, it means x equals to minus, once we add both side by 2, it will be minus 2 will be out, and here is 2, or 3x plus 5 equals to 0. It means 3x, so we will subtract both side by 5, so it will be minus 5. Now we will divide both side by 3, so x equals to here minus 5 by 3, and this is our answer. So finally we get x equals to what, either 2 or minus 5 by 3. So this video I am trying to solve this 6th math based on quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is very important, and we are trying to solve this one by factorization, but all the equation cannot be simplified by factorization. That time we need completing a square or quadratic equation general formula, but this we will discuss in next time. This video just factorization. I hope you clear everything. It will help you. This is the basic level factorization, right? We will try to basic, advanced, intermediate, lots of types. So please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep. I hope by this channel you will learn lots of things. Thank you.